action. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am doing yet another Lumibox video, and if you've been paying close attention you'll notice that I didn't do a March Lumibox, and the reason for that was because I feel like, I don't know, I just wanted to take a little break, but I'm back. I also noticed that my analytics for my Lumibox videos, I got a lot more views for those than I did my regular ones, so thank you so much. And if there's any new viewers, hi, please click the subscribe button. A lot of my viewers aren't subscribed, so I'd really appreciate that. I'm gonna get straight into it. This is the April Lumibox. And the cool thing is, I've seen other people's Lumiboxes and they get various different products compared to what I got, so pretty fun if you like a mystery. Anyway, so this is the April box. You get 5 products and the box is $50. They also have a premium box which is, I think it's $99, and if you're a Lumibox member you get exclusive access to sales, so that's pretty cool. I'm filming with a new camera and a new mic, so apologies if anything is like a bit out of whack. Also, I can't tell if it's this jumper, but I look very washed out at the moment. Maybe that's just how pale I am. Anyway, I'm going to be doing demonstrations with these products today. So the cool thing is they give you a cute little thank you note, and they gave me chocolates, which I want, so I'm gonna eat those later. I'm gonna start with the products that I can't use live with you guys now. I got the Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. I was actually after a new facial oil, so I'm very excited about this. It retails for $70, but I'm gonna just try it out on my hand. I have dry skin, so facial oil is everything I need, especially when it comes to the colder months. Oh wow, okay. It's a very therapeutic rose scent, very nice. I'm very glad that I got that. Another product I got is actually a double up, so because I signed up again, they sent me a free product. They were doing sort of promo, but I actually really like this. It's the Low and Grip Healthy Glow Body Scrub. I'm not too mad about that. Now I'm gonna just get into the products. So the opt-in product for this month, I don't remember if I screenshotted it or not. I'll put it in here, but I chose the Laura Geller blush because I'm a sucker for blush. I'm gonna get my Nude by Nature brush, and this retails for $39. The Baked Blush and Brighten blush in, I think it's called Tropic Hues. It's very nice, like marbled blush. I'm gonna apply that. Oh, there's a little bit of kickback. I'm gonna kind of just use it as a bronzer as well to warm up my very cool face. Okay, looking much healthier. First impression, it's very pretty. I love baked blushes. It's got a little bit of sheen to it, so it's like a bit of a satin blush because it's, you know, got some, not glitter, but like shimmer. And I really like that because it makes it look more natural on the face. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Mary Grace Mineral Gloss. This is in the shade 01. Retails for $20, so I'm gonna just apply that because my lips feel very dry. It's a little bit sticky, so definitely don't wear this if you have your hair down. So it's got like a tiny little bit of a tint, and I really like that. It's got little shimmers in it as well, and this is the second gloss I've gotten from Lumibox, but I'm not complaining at all because I'm going through this massive gloss phase. Okay, the next product, it's the Lorella Liquid Eyeshadow, retails for $18. Guys, look how stunning this is. And it's got like this really cute wand. So I don't know what I want to do with this today, if I should just go for it and put it all over my lid, or if I should like do something more artistic. So I'm going to use my Project Pan eyeshadow. So this is like the Ciate palette that I'm using. I will update you guys with a Project Pan video, but I'm going to just add some shadow for depth, and then I might just apply that. Maybe like a cut crease or something. Anyway, how are you guys going? That's fantastic. Today it's meant to hail, so I don't know when that's gonna happen or if it's even gonna happen, so if you suddenly hear noise in the background, I'll let you guys know if there's any hail. I really like these shadows from the Ciate palette. I don't think they make it anymore, but they're very creamy and rich. I haven't heard much from Ciate anymore. I don't know about you guys. Or if they even still sell it at Mecca, because that's where I got my palette from. Okay, this is All or Nothing. Also, the shade is called Goals. Oh my god, that's stunning. I wonder if I could zoom you guys in. It's a bit close. I know one tip, like if you want like a sort of cut crease, you just like look up and then it'll stick. So I don't want to apply it like all in the lid. I might like put shadow on top of that. Guys, how pretty is that? So pretty. Liquid eyeshadow is a great option if you're in a rush and you want like a cool look. This is very stunning. Ah! Okay. I am obsessed. I'm gonna zoom you guys out. Oops. Okay. Maybe that's a better shot. Look, guys, I'm still figuring out. Just okay. I'm gonna get that same shade and then blend it. You can't really blend glitter too much, so I'm just kind of softening it out. And I'm also trying to do like a quick little look because I don't want this video to go too long. Alright, I'm gonna stick with that, but that is absolutely stunning. I love that product. Now, the last product I have is the Garbo and Kelly Femme Fatale Duo Eyeliner. So, retails for $45. I find duo products cool. Some people hate them. I kind of like them. So, on one end, it's a liquid eyeliner, and on the other, it's like a pencil eyeliner. Now, this, I don't know, it's kind of like leaking. Oh, it's leaking! It's leaking! Oh no. It's like very wet. I don't know if it accidentally activated or what, but hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. This is a very pigmented eyeliner. Wow, that is so rich. Wow. I don't think I've ever had an eyeliner this pigmented. It's crazy. Right, probably not the best application, but that's that. I might use the black eyeliner to intensify the look a bit. Oh yeah. Now it looks a bit bare, so I'm gonna go in with like a darker brown on the bottom to smoke it out because I don't want it to like be too stark. The pencil eyeliner is like, it's pretty standard, but the liquid eyeliner is like stunning. I don't know if I should do like a cat eye thing. Yeah, that's a bit better. This looks really weird without mascara, so I'm gonna apply that. My eye's gone a bit red, but I don't know if that's because I like poked it with the eyeliner before. That was my finished look. I know it's a bit rushed, but I just wanted to try the products out, so I definitely love the blush. It's so up my alley. I need to stop purchasing blushes, but I absolutely love it. The eyeliner is very rich, and I like that it's dual, so if you want to do like a cat eye sort of look, it's perfect for that. The liquid eyeshadow, I think, was probably my favourite product. Very easy to apply, reminds me of the Steeler one. The lip gloss was also really nice. I would just take away a few points because it is a little bit, well, it's not too sticky, but it feels a bit thick. But definitely something I'll be using all the time. Anyway, thank you for watching my April Lumibox. I will update you guys with the next one. And I might update you guys if I buy anything from the pop-up sales. They tend to sell things that you didn't receive in the other box, like the premium box, as well as some other, you know, knickknacks, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, I'll put the link below for Lumibox. This, of course, isn't sponsored or anything. I just enjoy makeup. So yeah. Also, I do have a new Instagram account, Amanda the Panner, where I document my project pan as well as like purchases I make. So I'm going to leave that below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.